They threw us in the fire thinking we'd burn, but the flames only made us shine brighter. For the Son of God walks with us, right here, right now! In the ashes, in the chains, He breaks the curse, He breaks the pain. From Genesis flame to Revelation storm, the same Messiah, forever transformed. In Exodus, He split the sea. Leviticus bled for you and me. In Numbers, fire led the way. He's the cloud by night, the light of day. There's fire in the furnace, but I won't bow. My Savior stands beside me now. When the world says kneel, I'll stand again for Jesus Christ, beginning and the end. Deuteronomy spoke His word. Joshua's sword of truth was heard. Judges called His holy name. Ruth found grace and love reclaimed. Samuel's oil, David's song. Chronicles crowned His reign lifelong. Job declared, my Redeemer lives. Psalms proclaim what mercy gives. Isaiah saw Him, Daniel too. The lion roars through every truth. Hosea's love, Joel's flame. Every prophet cried His name. There's fire in the furnace, but I won't break. My Lord refines what hell can take. He's the Alpha flame, Omega friend, the fourth man, beginning and the end. When fear surrounds, His voice resounds. I am that I am, the fire that crowns. The idols fall, the kings all shake, but His word burns on for heaven's sake. Metal and faith collide tonight. He turns my scars into holy light. Fire in the furnace, Spirit strong. The battle rages, but we belong. Every flame becomes His throne. Jesus reigns and we are known. Fire in the furnace, we rise again. My Lord eternal, the great I am. From the ashes we ascend, for He's the fire that burns within. No fear, no end. The flame of Christ will rise again.